Look at Boo. She got a wig. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna make chicken tonight. This is the seasoning that I'm using: some paprika, garlic, parsley flakes, Lorry's, and some Saison. That's what the chicken looking like. We got our oil getting ready. And we about to eat good in the hood. Period. Period. I'll be back in a minute. Show y'all with us. Oh, we're gonna make some salad too, so that's what we're doing tonight.
Wait, can I make the salad?
You gonna make it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm letting Seven cut up the vegetables. Don't worry, I have her on our watch. Watching her like a hawk. Good job, boo-boo.
Mac and cheese. The other dude beat me in the night.
What they got?
He got all the chicken.
Seven doing her thing. She done got through to the lettuce. She got her cucumbers and tomatoes. Get it, girl. You tried everything, but you don't give up. I'm gonna make 3 different types of hot wings. We got sweet chili, Asian style, hot sauce with Texas Pete, and then honey barbecue. And I got my butter on the stove for each one. Hey y'all, this is what the hot wings look like. This is hot, buffalo hot. This is sweet Asian chili, and this is barbecue.
Plus, get free standard shipping with silver key stamps. Just one more.
Not 7 is a kitty cat.
Hey y'all, it is Saturday, December the 14th. It's the 14th? Yeah, it's the 14th. So today is Saturday the 14th, and I'm making Mootsy a wig, y'all. She sat down one day with me when I was braiding the girl's hair, like she wanted her hair braided, and I was like, you want me to braid your hair? And she just sat there. So I said, I'm finna make her a wig. We got this little strap or headband, and I'm finna put some plaits on it and burn the ends, and then she finna have her wig. I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But happy Saturday, y'all. Welcome to the vlog. My name is Rashoda. This is Rashoda's Reality. I'm always doing some crazy stuff like this. Always. So I come in my head, I do it. But we finna do this. I'm gonna be right back. Let me show y'all what I'm doing for real though. This light is gonna go like this and just start braiding it like some braiding hair. She just gonna have a bunch of little plaits, cause she finna be looking all cute, thinking she doing something, and ain't. She finna think she doing the thing, Chad. I ain't doing nothing. But yeah, y'all, I hope y'all are doing well. Today I haven't really done anything, but I did clean out my bin because Nailani, she wanted the bin, my little storage bin, so I cleaned it out, and now I have boxes of stuff. Let me show y'all. So everything just boxes right now, so I'm gonna have to like organize them, and I got some stuff up under my desk, but most of it's like PR stuff. So yeah, I gotta go through all that stuff and get it organized. I said in like 2 vlogs back that I was gonna organize. I should have showed y'all me taking, but I was just taking out all the stuff out of it. It's just a bunch of junk anyway. But yeah, I'll be right back, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the end result of her little wig. We got 3 braids, y'all. Look at this. Okay, y'all, this is what she looking like. She got 6 little plaits, 3 and 3, and then we're gonna burn the end real quick. Yeah, we finna burn the ends. Hold it, Nana.
Can I burn one?
Sure, just hold the plastic, the elastic. Oh my lord, where's the? Okay. Shoot, it's coming loose. We just need to be like secured, because these dogs eat anything these days, chill. And I was gonna put some little hair bows in, but no, she been no. Pull it tight. Can they see me here? They'll just eat anything. And I be like, y'all got dog food. Why y'all keep eating stuff off the floor? When I say these dogs are like kids, like you cannot leave nothing in the floor. Ow! Ow! Look at her. She know this for her. Must you what your hair did. You about to get your wig, girl. Get your wig shook. We almost done. You better get back. Hot. It's hot, Mama. It's hot. Ooh, you gonna be cute, girl. Yeah, you is. You gonna be so cute. She gonna think she's so fine. Ooh, she is. I wish I could put some little balls on it, but Mama will eat them balls up. And then she know how to work her little thumb, so I'm kind of half scared she's gonna rip this off.
We could put bows on it for her first birthday.
Oh, that would be cute. That'll be so cute, and do her some pictures. Ooh,
This is little Vlogmas.
she gonna think she fine. Oh, you want to do one, don't you? You can do the last two.
It's gonna burn me.
If you know what you're doing. The lighting is so bad, y'all. Sorry. The lighting is horrible.
You do the thick one.
You can do it here. Don't be scared.
No.
Burn it like right here.
No.
Hold it. You hold it. You gotta hold it tight. Burn it where you want it to be burnt it. Up under it, honey.
Oh.
Burn it. It's gonna come apart. Okay, stop. Lord. What is it with fire and water? Mostly fire. Kids love to play with fire. Please tell your children not to play with fire. They are so intrigued with fire.
I'm not playing with fire.
You better not play with fire. Right, ready? Up under it, please. Do it closer to where she do it. Look at me, Mama. Let me see, girl. Let me see. Ooh, wait. Let's try to use them thumbs to take them apart. Don't let him pull your wig out there. She gonna get that wig. Oh, man. She gonna get that wig, babe. He done snatched the good wig off. Oh, y'all, this is crazy. Anyways, but that's all. I'm finna get ready to go live, y'all. I'm finna get ready to go live so I can let me wipe my camera off. But I'm finna get ready to go live on my makeup channel. So maybe I'll see y'all there. See you later. Bye.
Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you black girl, if you black girl, if you
JP, my neck, my back, so buttery brown. My neck, my back, my back, my back. My neck, my back, so buttery brown. Oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my back. My neck, my back, my back. My neck, my back.